In this video, we're going to cover how to create a basic schedule. So the first thing I do is obviously make sure that I'm in the page that I want to be working on, and then click on the schedule tab. This will bring up this page right here, and obviously the first thing we're going to do is click the create a schedule button. And you'll see a couple of things that are going on in the schedule creator. There's a place where you're going to need to name your schedule. You can choose something to be recurring or have it be a campaign. We'll cover that in later videos. And then ultimately you can pick the days that you want to be posting to. So my recommendation is to go ahead and create some type of master schedule. You can create different schedules for every day of the week. You can have a Sunday schedule, a Monday schedule, a Tuesday. You can go to that level if you want. You can have weekday schedules, a weekend schedule. It's completely up to you. I like to keep things as simple as possible. And so in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just, for purposes of this example, go ahead and create a master schedule where I'll be posting at the same times every day of the week. And this is for my German Shepherds page. So I'm going to call this German Shepherd Master. And I've got my days clicked there. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and choose the time. So you click the icon here, the little clock, and you start to choose your times. You can click in there, and let's say my first one, I want it to be at 8:46 a.m. And then I'll click another one. I want my next time to be, let's say I want to do it every 2 hours. So at 10, let's change that up a little bit, 10:30 a.m. $12:57 p.m. These are completely random, by the way. Ultimately, you can go in and look at your insights and get better determination on when the most viewing is happening for your posts. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and keep going. Let's say I'll change one up and put it at 3:03 p.m. And let's wrap this thing up and put another one. We'll wait a few hours, and we'll post this one at 7:24 p.m. Now I've got my times in here. I can always go back in and edit. So I'm going to save this. I can go back in and edit it if I want. And so if I want to add more times or delete a time or something like that, I can do that. Now the system will ask whether or not you want this schedule to be your default. And the default schedule is the one where, and you'll see later on, where when you are approving content, the content needs a home, and the home is your schedule. And so we recommend creating something that's a default. If not, if you don't select one of your schedules as a default, you will have to manually tell the system each time you approve a post to which schedule you want it. So again, we're just trying to keep things as simple as possible. So I want to click this and select this as my default. Yes, give it to me as my default, and we are good to go. We'll see you in the next video.